Hello, welcome to my channel.
Okay, I drew this step using blocks. I have this separately, I have this separately, I have this separately, I have this separately. So I actually want to put all of them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, to become one. This is what you do. You type the command union. Click enter. This is selected in 1, 2, 3, 4. You right click and that's it. You have made it one object. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget, like, subscribe and share this video. Come back again for more interesting videos.